Now that you've thought about what you're comparing and what evidence you'll need, it's time to plan your investigation. First, you'll want to think about what supplies you need. Since you're probably at home or at school, you'll want to make sure that you're using supplies that you already have. Using our transpiration terrariums, which we use in the plants and water investigation, is one good way to compare the effects of water on plants in different conditions. As part of planning your investigation, you'll also want to think about what you'll keep the same across the two conditions. As scientists, we usually just want to change one variable at a time. You might have heard of this called an independent variable. Everything else we want to keep controlled across the two conditions. That way, we can see how the independent variable, or what we're changing, affects the dependent variable, or what we're measuring, without it being affected by something else. So in my case, I might think about using clippings from the same plant with about the same number of leaves. And I might make sure I put exactly the same amount of water in each cup. Then finally, it's time to plan out your step-by-step investigation. You might think about writing down how you'll set things up, where you'll put your two terrariums, and how long you'll leave them there. Make sure to also mention what you'll do to collect evidence. So the next step is to write all of this down in your science journal. Move on to the next slide for some prompts to get you started.